For the last 4 years, I've escaped winter in New Zealand. Cold winds and heavy rain held no appeal in my mind, but even so, I always wondered why people would travel here to experience a season I'd usually avoid. I decided to take a 10-day adventure in the middle of winter with some friends. This is my experience.
Snow and rain and wintry conditions return once more to south of the Otago Field under the west coast. Welcome to winter, finally.
Halfway in and winter was growing on me. I was beginning to experience New Zealand in a light I'd never seen before. On one of the days, we hoped to capture the perfect time-lapse at a glacial lake. Little did I know, I was about to witness one of the most memorable moments of the entire trip. The moon set, the glacial lake froze over, and the Milky Way rose beyond the highest peaks of New Zealand. By the end of the trip, I understood why people would make the long journey out here to experience winter. You have to look past the rain and the cold, only then do you realize the beauty of nature's seasons is no different to our own as people. Sometimes the very thing you seek is in your own backyard, and in this instance, it was no different. Take it from a guy who used to have a tropical bias. Avoiding winter is depriving yourself of one of the most magical landscapes nature has to offer.